Good morning, guys. Hi guys. It's been a while, it's been a minute. Welcome back, you guys. I've been a little bit MIA on you guys, but I'm back now. On today's video, let me welcome my new subbies. I have noticed that we have a lot of new subbies, you guys. For those who have been here, thank you very much, my day ones. I really appreciate you. I don't take you for granted. For the new ones, thank you guys for joining this beautiful family. Please like and share our videos so that you can get more of the new beautiful friends in this channel. So on today's video, we're only going to talk about honey. Any brand of honey is fine, you guys. It doesn't matter what brand of honey are you using. Any honey brand, you can go to any supermarket, get yourself a honey. Mine is almost finished. As you can see, I'm using it non-stop. I'm only going to share with you the power of honey, the uses, what you can do if you are having honey in your house. You can add honey in your cream, you guys, in your body cream. Yes, the usual body cream, the daily body cream that we are using every day, you can add honey. You don't add too much. You can add a teaspoon of honey. It will help you to attract favor and love everywhere you go. Remember, is if you add it in your body cream sorry guys, if you add it in your body cream, it will remain there until your cream is finished, meaning you're going to apply it on your body every day. Another thing, once a week you can use honey to rub your body as a scrub. Your body, meaning from head to toe, you use your honey to rub, using it as if it's a body scrub, you guys. Then you allow it to dry before you rinsing it off. It keeps you to attract more love and more favor also, you guys. Another thing, can rub honey on the palm of your hands every morning before you go out. It brings grace of favor to you, and you'll attract love and more money. You can use honey also to clean your house, your office, at work, even your place where you are having your business. It will make you attract more customers, and it will bring positive energy around you. Honey is more powerful, you guys. It brings love, happiness, positive energy. It removes every bad thing out of your life. So normalize having honey in your house. Use it. You'll see the differences in your life. So guys, let me love and leave you here until my next upload. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you here. Bye guys.